Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2013 Range Rover Sport. So from any screen here, you've got nav here, second one up on the right hand side. Click on nav, and then you've got destination entry at the top there, destination entry, address or postcode, and we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston. P are the fantastic sat-nav system in this Range Rover. Defaults to numbers, not a lot of them do, so 5 and then 4, and even though it's only 2-digit postcode, you don't have to put a space in this, it recognises it automatically. JS, PR5, 4JS, that's it, and we have to click OK, and then just click go. Destinations nearby, please check the map. Well, that's we're sat on the forecourt. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Range Rover Sport. Any screen, do a couple of things really, but we'll go to phone. If you bring up phone when there's nothing connected in the car already, it brings up this menu and it shows you the phones that can be connected. In this case, there's just my phone there, Barry's iPhone 11, and that's the one I want to delete. So delete it, yes, and that's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Range Rover Sport. From any screen, well, first of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom for Bluetooth. Now you can either go, if there's nothing connected in the car, if you click on home menu, you'll see there's nothing connected. You can please pair phone there, or you can go to phone and it says search for new. So search new, vehicle to device, because that generates a random PIN code for you, so you don't have to type a number in on here and on there as well. It just saves you 5 presses of a button, but today's busy times. So searching for a phone, Barry's iPhone 11, click on there. To pair and connect phone, enter 2769 on handset. That's automatically come up here, the pin pad, 2769, and then click pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. Connecting to Barry's iPhone, Range Rover Sport connected. Range Rover Sport connected on the audio system too. Another good thing with the audio system in this Range Rover Sport is if we go to music, you'll see there on the record Range Rover Sport at the bottom. If I click on that, you can see iPhone or Range Rover Sport. The tick next to the Range Rover Sport means anything that's going to play on your phone, any audio, whether it be anything, Spotify, YouTube, soundtrack to a video, Apple Music, you name it, it will play through here. So let's just go back. So I'll turn this down, click play, over to the audio system. Now, if I click audio video there, I'll turn it down so I don't get copyrighted. You'll see Lindy's Farm, run for home there. That's it playing through the system. Now, if you don't see that, what you have to do is click on that source button. So we'll go through it a different way. So it's on auxiliary. We'll exit out of that. So we want to play this. That's playing. We go over to here. You've got audio, video, and source there. There's a plus. Click the plus. That allows you to select auxiliary, USB, CDs, iPod, Barry's iPhone, and that's it. So that's it playing. Thanks for watching.